Good afternoon, one and all. Okay. We have seen the dynamic analysis. What is the dynamic load? That part we have finished. What is the dynamic load? The dynamic load is nothing but it is a change, is that load which is changes with respect to the time. So that is the dynamic load. Okay, now we move towards the static load. So what is the static load? That part we see here. A static load, which is static load is one which does not vary. Static load is one which does not vary. A dynamic load is one which changes with respect to time. If it changes slowly, the structure response may be determined with static analysis. Okay, if it changes slowly, the structural response may be determined with respect to the static analysis. Okay, static load म्हणजे काय? Static load is nothing but the load which does not vary with respect to time. What is the dynamic load? The dynamic load is nothing but the load which is changes with respect to the time. Okay, so if there is a dynamic load which is more and there is a which change, if load is changes very slowly, then we have to make the response of structure by the static analysis only. And if the structure is varying, if the load is varying quickly and with abruptly, that load is varying from slower to the larger, then we have to move towards the dynamic analysis. Okay, when we have to do the static analysis, when there is a there is a very small changes in the changes in the static load, where very small changes in the static load, then we have to go for the static analysis. And if there is a the load variation, abruptly load is going to be increased, abruptly load is going to be decreased, and if such a changes, if bigger changes are happening into the loading, then we have to move towards the dynamic analysis of that structure. Okay, so I request all of you write down a static load is one. A static load is one which does not vary. Static load is one which does not vary. Static load is one which does not vary. Which does not vary. To stop. A dynamic load is one. A dynamic load is one. A dynamic load is one which changes with time. A dynamic load is one which changes with time. A dynamic load is one which changes with the time. Full stop. If it changes slowly, if it changes slowly, if it changes slowly, the structure's response may be determined with may be determined with static analysis. But if it varies quickly, in bracket, relative to the structures, ability to respond, bracket complete. The response must be determined with dynamic analysis. Response must be determined with dynamic analysis. The response must be determined with dynamic analysis. Okay, I hope all of you understand about the two types of the loading, that is the static loading and the dynamic loading, and when to go for the dynamic analysis and when to go for the static analysis. that part you have to understand. Okay, I hope you have understand very nicely, because the dynamic analysis is nothing but that load which is vary with respect to the time. Static load is nothing but the load which does not vary with respect to time. That is the difference between this dynamic analysis and the static analysis. Next one is the, if the load is going to be changed very slowly, the load is going to be changed, then we have to go for the static analysis. Or load is not going to be changed, at that condition also we have to go for the static analysis. And if there is a load is going to be changed from smaller to the larger, quickly load is going to be changed from smaller to the larger and larger to the smaller, then such a load is known as the dynamic loads. And such dynamic loads are wind loads, again wave loads, again traffic loads, and the earthquake loads and the blast loads are considered as the dynamic loads. And such a big loads which are varying with respect to time. And at that condition, we have to go for the calculations about the dynamic analysis. So that part we have seen in this lecture. So today's lecture will stop here. The remaining part we'll see in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you all.